In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tooltips, tags, badges, and other elements in Figma. Whether you're just getting started with design or looking to add a few more tricks to your toolkit, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to head over to the Figma website, simply open your web browser and go to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that has become essential for designers all over the world. Once you're there, look for the login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in to access your dashboard. If you're not logged in, just enter your details and you'll be taken right to the home page. This is your starting point for all things creative in Figma. Once you're inside, navigate to the home section of Figma. Here you'll find all your recent projects and shared files. It's kind of like your control center, making everything you need accessible and organized. Next, click on Design. This will open up your workspace where the magic happens, where you can create, edit, and tweak to your heart's content. It's here you can start building those useful elements like tooltips, tags, and badges. Now, you need to find the Actions section. With your design file open, locate the search bar and type Figduo. This search is going to bring up an array of plugins that can aid your design process, particularly the Figduo plugin, which simplifies the creation of these elements. Once you've found Figduo in the search results, click to open it. Plugins in Figma are incredibly helpful, offering functionality that might not be readily available through the basic tools. Next, you will see an option to run the Figduo plugin. Click on that. Running a plugin in Figma is akin to executing a small program that enhances your interface. It allows you to perform specific tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort. Here's an additional tip. Explore other plugins too. Many can offer great enhancements to your workflow and might inspire new design ideas. After that, the plugin will guide you through creating tooltips, tags, and badges step by step. Don't worry if you feel like there's a lot going on. This process is designed to be intuitive, aligning with Figma's user-friendly interface. Experiment with these elements, and once you're comfortable, you can start customizing them to better fit your project's design language. With these steps, you've now got the skills to add new dimensions to your projects in Figma. Exploring and using these tools regularly will undoubtedly expand your design possibilities and creativity. So there you have it, a swift and effective way to enhance your design projects using Figma. Happy designing.